Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Paysafecard on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app in your device, you can hit towards the App Store and install it. Once you install it, launch it now at the top right. You'll find this plus icon. Click on it. Available cards. Different options will appear. You can select the option of debit or credit card. Now click on continue. Click on enter card details manually. Now over here type in your card number and then click on next and go through the verification process. And once you complete that, your card details will be updated. This Paysafecard will be added on your app store, and with that you will be able to use this card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.